Miss Nilu Jones, 2108 Commodore, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Just came, 2.5 bath. Just came on the market today. Waiting on the client to show up, but let's do a quick video. Okay, little half bath powder room. Love it. Okay, come up the steps. Let's back this out a little bit. There we go. So we got white appliances in the kitchen. Looks good. Nice granite countertops. I have these same ones, or very similar in my home. That looks good. Closet here. Okay. Family room area. Go out on the porch. I locked it. Okay, deck. Deck's a little weathered, but not too bad. Backyard. Do like that paper patio system they got going on down there. Gate to the side. Backside of the house looks good. There is an end unit, which I do like. I think the client will like as well. Okay, let's go down, and then we'll come back up. Okay, we come down, walk out to the backyard. I'm losing my voice today. It's kind of tough. Under step storage. Okay, like that. Washer dryer. HVAC looks to be 2019, so that's nice. Hot water heater also appears to be new. Is this hooked up? That is not. Let's move that so it doesn't confuse anybody. I shouldn't do that, but I did. Okay, a little extra storage. Okay, panel looks good. Making sure my buyer's not here. Okay. There's no bathroom in the basement. Would like to have that, but that's not the end of the world. Okay, we go upstairs. Does have slats in there. I don't mind it, but I know people have little kids, don't love that. Okay. Office. Clearly a gamer. Secondary bedroom. View of the backyard. Okay. Closet. Hall bath. Nope, wrong one. Oh, hey, reload. Shower. Let's see what that shower looks like. Okay, nothing fancy. It's a shower. Okay. Nice walk-in closet. I do like that. That's key. Okay, this is nice. Person. I do like this. Hopefully the client does too. Listen for $375.